There are two places inside of HoneyBook where you can edit your notification preferences. The first is clicking on the notification bell. From there, click on the toggles on the right. This brings you to the Notification Center. Here, you can manage the updates you wish to receive. You can turn off certain ones or keep them all on, or turn them all off, whatever is your preference. There's also one other place, and that's in Company Settings. First, use the left navigation to hover over your avatar, then select Company Settings. From here, click Preferences. Then scroll down a little bit to Company Notifications. Here, you can select the type of notifications you and your team members will receive. These are much more granular than the ones in the notification bell. Things like notifying you if someone hasn't viewed a file you sent, or notifying you a week prior to your project dates. Here you can fully customize the notifications you wish to receive. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.